Hi teacher, I am Carlos Andres Alfonso and this video is from step 3 when I answer the following question. Okay, let's start. When are you going to travel? We want to visit Cartagena and the nearby towns and the island of Barú. When are you going to travel? I hope to travel in the month of August or September. Where are you going to stay? In a hotel in the city. We would like to be near the Laguito. What are you going to wear? We will wear comfortable clothes for tropical weather. We will wear hats, also cameras to record and take photos. Who are you going to invite to that travel? I'm going to invite my wife. What activities will you do in that place? Okay, we are going to swim in the sea. We are also going to walk in the Wallet City, meet restaurants and coffee shops, visit nearby towns, and travel to Isla of Baru to do water sport, visit the Castle of San Felipe and the Cerro of the Pope. How much money will you spend there? Okay, to travel we always say before we save. We plan the activities that we are going to do, and we make the budget. Will you bring any souvenirs from your vacations? Yes, my wife and I like to buy souvenirs where we travel, and our families also like to bring them a gift. This is the end of the question. Thank you.